Welcome to Dragonfly Trading. My name is Carrie, and I'm a full-time Elliott Wave trader in the crypto and Forex markets. Today's video is going to be on Bitcoin, ETH, and also on an altcoin that I'm watching that I wanted to share. Before we get started, I just have a couple of things I want to talk about. First off, I have a scammer who has taken my icon and is responding in my channel to comments before I have a chance to respond. First off, I want to say that I would never send out any type of phone number from WhatsApp or any other type of communications like that. And the second thing is no matter what comment is made, I will never ever respond rudely. That's not my style, and that is never something that I would do. So watch out for that, okay? Also, our Discord is almost full. There will be a waiting list. So if you are interested, please get on the list before it is at capacity. It will be a paid Discord. I think I went over that. But it's going to be like no Discord that you've ever seen before. It's going to be educational, and our whole goal is to create independent traders where one day you will not need me. And hopefully, you will want to teach others in our Discord. So with that said, let's begin. So this top here is the top of the 2017 bull run. And I went over this months ago, but I felt that it was something that I needed to go over again, and it might give you clarity on what to look for and maybe help you make some decisions. So when we get to a top, or whether we're at the top or not, but when we get initial drop to the downside, we always come up and we correct that drop, okay, in a three-wave type of move. Then we always need a partner for it. So we got the partner to the downside. At that point, we were absolutely fine. We found support right there. At that point, the market had a chance to rally out of here in 5 waves and continue this bull run, but it didn't do that. What it did was it gave us what I call a connector. When it did that, we needed a partner move for this entire move to the downside. When we did that, we were still okay because we came into the prior 4th wave. Okay, this was the prior 4th wave all along here. At this point, the market had a chance to continue the bull run. It needed to come out of here in a 5-wave move. It didn't do that. It created another bigger connector. At that point, we needed a partner. We got the partner. We were still okay, but we needed to rally out of here in a 5-wave move, and we didn't. We created another connector. And at that point, we needed a partner for this entire move to the downside, and that is what happened, and it got ugly. Okay? The top of this bull run, same thing. Initial drop, we correct it with a 3-wave move. Then we get the partner. We were fine. We were on top of the 4th wave. At that point, the market could have rallied out of here and continued that bull run, but it didn't move out with a 5-wave move. It made a 3-wave move, which is a connector, and then we needed a partner for this entire move over here. We got it. It was actually a bullish type of correction. But we didn't rally out of here with 5 waves. We made a 3-wave connector. Then we needed a partner for this entire move to the downside. We were still okay. We were at the bottom of this 4th wave. What happened? The market did not rally out of here in 5 waves and continue this bull run. It created a flat, which is another type of connector. And then here we go with the partner. At that point, it still wasn't that ugly. We could have rallied out of here with an impulsive 5-wave move, but we didn't. This whole thing right here was a corrective climb, which we can climb correctively. And we can climb high correctively. What happened was it turned this entire thing into a connector, and then we needed this whole move to the downside as a partner, and that's what happened, and it got ugly. So let's talk about what we have going on here, what we want to happen, and what we don't want to happen. So we have our initial move to the downside. We have our 3-wave correction that we normally make. Now the question is here, are we ready for this partner? Is it coming now or is it not? Let's assume that it's coming now. If it comes now, best case scenario is we don't break this bottom. That would be very bullish, but what needs to happen is we need to rally out of here in 5 waves. This would clarify the bullish case, because the bullish case is that we have a leading diagonal right here. Okay? A leading diagonal is a wave 1. This would mean this could possibly be a 2. And then what do we need? We need 5 waves. If we rally up in 3 and create a connector, we're going to trend down again and break this bottom and invalidate the bullish case. Okay? I downloaded a pen for my laptop and it's not doing it either, so it's just my bad luck here with this pen situation. Okay. So partner 3-wave. Okay. If we're getting the big correction now, what we need to do is rally out of here in 5 waves. If we don't, and we rally out in a corrective type thing, it's going to be a correct connector. It could be a big connector, way bigger than this. This is, just for visualization. Then we're going to need this move to the downside, and it's going to get ugly, because I do not want to break this support right here. I do not want to break that, because if we do, we're going to come into our wave 1, and I will assume we are downtrending and this bull run is over for the moment. Okay. Now, if we're not getting the partner now, which is very possible, there's other options that I've talked about. One is that this is 3 waves. This is 3 waves. We get 3 waves, 3 waves, 3 waves, and we contract into a triangle. And then what do we need? We need 5 waves to get us out of here. This is the key, guys. 5 waves gets us out of here. Impulsive waves. Please back up and take this out of here. And it won't do it. I don't know why. Why? Okay. All right. So if we're not getting the partner now, what else can happen? Well, we could come down and an ABC. Okay? Then we don't get 5 waves, we get 3 to the upside. And it gets us up higher for a higher B wave. I talked about this also. Okay? Then when we get the partner move, it will be higher. And hopefully we will never break this low. We'll make a higher low. This is a very bullish correction. I talk about it in every video. And then what do we need? We need 5 waves, not 3. Not 3. Even with a bullish correction like this, if we make some type of 3-wave connector, guess what? We're coming down. Okay? Remember that. We don't want 3-wave connectors. Absolutely, absolutely not. All right? So that's it, guys. That's it. Are we getting the partner now or are we not? Are we making the triangle? Are we getting our B wave up higher? As it stands right at this moment, we can't tell. Right at this moment, it's too soon. So let's talk about what we have going on right now. Okay? This was very complex. I'm sure it whiplashed you to death. I call it ABC us to death. But when we come down like this and we bounce with a big buy up, this right here is a move. So what we have actually going on here is an A, all of this is B, and this is C to the upside. Taking a projection on it, we have come past the 618. So the next target is the 1-to-1 at 49,202. On linear, it's 49,000. If we make it past the 1-to-1 with candle closes and consolidate up there, the next target is 50,600. Linear, it is 50,300. Next target, 1.382 at 51,170 on linear, 51,600 on log. Now, as always, the higher the B wave, the better. Okay? So panning out, if this is going to give us an A, B very high, we have a chance that the C wave cannot break the bottom and be very bullish. But if the B wave is going to just hit the 1-to-1, then we have a chance that the C wave comes deeper. Okay. Now when we get over to ETH, I'm going to, because it has the exact same type of correction there, I'm going to get into what the other scenario can be. Okay. So let's go on over to ETH. ETH has the same exact options up here. Okay. We can make a 3-wave, 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 and make a triangle. What do we need? 5 waves to get us out of here, not 3. Okay, so it can make the triangle. We can get the partner leg now that can truncate, not truncate, but make a higher low, which can be very bullish. But what do we need? We need a 5-wave move. Okay, this is what we need when it's done, not a 3-wave. If we make the 3-wave, we're coming down deeper. The C wave can also come deeper. But what do we need? We need 5-wave move to continue the bull run, not a connector. Okay? Connector means we're going to need this whole move back down to the downside, and that's what we don't want. Okay, so just like Bitcoin, we are thinking or wondering, are we getting the partner move now, or are we creating just the 3-wave move to support the bullish option that we have on ETH? The bullish option is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the start of the 5th. The bullish option would be that we come down in 3 waves for a correction. Okay, but what we need after that is 5 waves, not 3. Okay, not 3. So let's dig in to this little move we have going on right here. Same as Bitcoin. This move to the upside and down. Okay, most likely we're coming up here to this 1-to-1. What we are creating is a WXY or an ABC. Okay, A, B, C. Higher the B wave, the better. Now let's pan out. We have the option that we are making an A, B, C. That is what we want. But we also have the option that we're making a 1, a 2, and that this is going to come very deep and give us a 3, 4, and then 5. Okay? Panning out more so you can get a better look. If this happens, then this is the partner we're getting it, and we're getting it now. Okay? So I hope that was easy to understand. Let's move over to the altcoin that I wanted to talk about. And I believe you pronounced it Sol, S-O-L. And I don't think it means shit out of luck, because whoever got in down here sure wasn't shit out of luck, right? It should be S-T-O-L, shit tons of luck, right? Anyway, weekly time frame straight up in the air. I mean, just wow, 90-degree angle. Daily bullish divergence, holding the 60 nicely. 8-hour bullish divergence, holding the 40 nicely. 4-hour bullish divergence in the buy territory. Will we have another rollover? We could. But what I'm hoping for is that if it rolls over, this will not break the low, and it will give us bullish divergence, double bullish divergence. And this will be beautiful for continuation. This coin right here looks beautiful. So, yeah, that is what I wanted to show you. That it looks nice, and this is what I'm looking for, some bullish divergence right here. If it gives it to me, this is not financial advice, but I think you get the picture. And I'd like to see it hold this support right here. Even if it came down to this support, it still would be very bullish. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments, and I hope everybody has a wonderful day.